Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find notifications on iPhone. So in order to find your notifications on iPhone, it's quite easy, and in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly the few steps you need to take in order to find your notifications on iPhone and why sometimes your notifications are just not showing. So to find your notifications on iPhone is really easy. All you need to do is unlock your phone just like I have, and then you want to scroll from the top to the bottom, just like this. You want to swipe from the top to the bottom of your screen, and then here you have your notification center just like I have. And then you can simply just scroll through all your notifications you have gotten in the last few hours simply by doing that. And that's basically the best way to find your notifications on iPhone. You can also just lock your phone, and then you will also see your notifications, of course, over on your lock screen. However, if you're not seeing your notifications, then there are a few ways in order to fix this. For example, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure to open Control Center, because if you have Do Not Disturb enabled, then there's a really big chance that your notifications are just not showing, because they're then in Do Not Disturb. And what you then simply have to do is you need to open Do Not Disturb, and then you will be able to see them. But I would just recommend leaving Do Not Disturb disabled, because there's no actual use for it, other than just hiding your notifications and making it hard to view your notifications. So yeah. The second thing you want to do is, if you're not getting any notification, is you can open settings just like I have right here, and you want to click on notifications, because you want to make sure that you do actually get notifications. So currently you can choose out of three different options: display as count, stack, and list. So a list is really obvious. A list there will just show you in a list on your home screen or on your lock screen. In a stack they are showing as in stack. And the counts, they're just counting on them, and it will just be shown as a counter. Then, in order to make sure that you do actually get notifications, you want to make sure to go just to every single app you have and make sure that notifications are actually on the apps you want to receive notifications for. For example, I want to receive notifications for Clash of Clans, then I want to make sure that allow notifications is enabled, and you can literally do this for any app, of course. So that's how you can find your notifications on the iPhone. If you learned something from this video, then I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.